Hi, I'm Kirby Allison, and we love helping the well-dressed take care of their wardrobes. I can't wait to tell you about our most exciting contest yet. This time, we've teamed up with our favorite shoemaker, George Cleverley, to offer a pair of their iconic Anthony Cleverley Churchill shoes, along with our ultimate Shoeshine starter kit. For those of you that love shoes, you can't do better than this. To enter our giveaway, you must first visit the contest page at hangerproject.com/giveaway. You can click the link in the top right corner of this video to visit the page, or you can find the link in the bottom description on this video. Once you land on this page, you can enter the contest 6 different ways. The more ways you enter, the better your chances are of winning. The first way to enter is by subscribing to the Hanger Project YouTube channel. The second way to enter is by following the Hanger Project on Instagram. The third way to enter is by following George Cleverley on Instagram. The fourth way to enter is by signing up for George Cleverley's newsletter. The fifth way to enter is to watch our video where we visit George Glasgow and tour the Cleverley workshop. And finally, as bonus, the sixth way to enter is by referring friends to join our giveaway through a unique URL. Each referral gives you 2 extra entries. So if you refer 5 friends, that gives you 10 extra entries into our contest. The items included in this kit are exceptional and of the highest quality. Our Ultimate Saphir Shoeshine Starter Kit includes everything you need to begin taking the absolute best care of your shoes. Stock full of the Saphir Medaille d'Or products, widely considered by shoe aficionados to be the highest quality shoe polish in the world. It includes the Saphir Renovateur, an all-purpose cleaner and conditioner, and 2 sets of cream and wax polishes. To make this kit even better, we've added the Saphir Mirror Gloss in 2 colors, plus our High Shine Chamois. And of course, no Shoeshine kit would be complete without a set of the highest quality Shoeshine brushes, like the ones we sell here at the Hanger Project. Our Mirror Shine products and our special brushes is everything you need to get started taking the best possible care of your shoes. And of course, one of the most exciting components of this contest are the Anthony Cleverley Churchill shoes. And to tell you more about those is Mr. George Glasgow Jr. of George Cleverley.
Thanks, Kirby. We're excited to be part of this contest. We will be giving away one of our unique limited edition Anthony Cleverley Churchills, which features our iconic imitation lacing, elastic sides. So good luck to you out there.
The final day to enter is Saturday, April 7th. One lucky winner will be randomly selected and contacted via email. Remember, the more methods you complete, the higher your chances are for winning this fantastic prize. I'm Kirby Allison. Thanks for joining us and good luck.